everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. Difference between count of asterisk, count of one, and count of column name. Count of asterisk or count of one counts all rows in a specified table, including null values. Count of asterisk or count of 1 or count of 0 or count of any text all are same. Whereas count of column name returns the number of rows in that column and it does not count null values. So the main difference is count of asterisk counts with null values, whereas count of column name does not count null values. Let's see the practical. Here I am using SQL questions database. I have created student table with student ID and name. Here I am inserting some values and let's see the table. Now this is student table with student ID, student name. There is a null value in a student ID and null value in a student name. Now if we check select count of asterisk from student, it will show 6 as the number of records are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it includes null values. Count of 1 will also show 6. Count of -1 will also show 6. Count of SQL or any text will also show 6. That means all these are same. Here if we check count of student ID, it will show 5 because there is null value present in student ID. There is one null value in a student ID. Therefore, count of student ID is 5. Similarly, if we see count of student name, it will show 5 because there is a null value present in student name column. So, count of column name does not count null values. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.